Raise a glass to the steady easing of Germany's lockdown and a little bit of patio optimism. That's what these Berliners are doing. A once throbbing all-night dance club, repositioning and re-emerging, blinking into the sunlight as a beer garden.
Now we are doing service at the table. This is a big change for us. We have tables in a distance of 150 meters. Our guests need to wear a mask, but not at the table. Thank you.
Germany's response to the coronavirus crisis has been widely praised. A high number of infections, yes, but a much lower death rate compared to other Western countries.
I think we have a very strong and good health system.
They reacted quite soon compared to other countries.
29-year-old IT worker Dennis Debray contracted COVID-19 from his roommate in February.
He gave the name of me and my friend, who is also living in the flat, to the health organization, and they called each of us.
His experience shows how quickly Germany embraced tracing.
And we have to tell them the names of every person we got in contact with.
Germany's lockdown didn't come all at once. Measures introduced gradually. Schools, for example, shut in mid-March, when a decision was also taken to close care homes to visitors. This is Mana Residence, privately owned and home to 111 elderly people, a world of walkers and llamas, part of a therapy program. When the first corona cases appeared in Germany, we felt immediately vulnerable, says manager Johanna Janssen. There were bumps along the way, she says, confusion over testing at the start and worries about safety equipment. But Janssen has praise for the government and in particular the Chancellor, Angela Merkel, for steady hands. From the beginning, Merkel was clearly positioned, she says. She took it seriously and spoke directly to the people. Germany already had more intensive care unit beds per person than its EU partners, but it still moved to increase capacity and to buy ventilators. Public health expert Wolfgang Reiner says one advantage for Germany, simple but often overlooked, was time and a decision not to squander it.
After watching the pictures from Italy, I think that was the key. The population was really willing to follow these suggestions.
Germany began opening up again around April 20th, but it's far from back to normal. The capital's famous East Side gallery along a strip of the old Berlin Wall would normally be crowded with tourists. And different states are emerging at different speeds, something that worries those who fear another spike in infections.
I think there is going to be a second wave and we have to be aware, but I think we might be a bit more prepared for it.
All the more reason then to embrace old pastimes when you can, albeit from a distance. Margaret Evans, CBC News, London.